Hi, hello, and everyone. Welcome back to Vishnu's Traders Corner. In this video, we're going to see about Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for the next week, which is from 10th April to 14th April. So before going into the analysis, the chart which is displayed here, it is shared in my Telegram channel as well as in YouTube videos, which is around 21st or 22nd December. I made this structure based on the candlestick which is formed. So as per the prediction, market would come to this level and it will bounce back. So before 22nd December, which is nothing but it is over here. So when the market is over in this level itself, I have marked this level and I have predicted this is the possible reversal levels for Nifty. So this is what happened exactly. So it formed a triangle pattern based on this, and the market bounced back from the levels which I have marked, like the demands on which I marked here. And at the moment, market has given the signs of bullishness. So I'm saying this to you guys because once if you're coming into trading, you should know how to analyze and you should know how to find a trend and where are the possible levels reversal. Okay. So if you have those views at this point, even if the market is falling very badly with so much of bad news around, you wouldn't be going into sell further because this is a demand zone. So even if you have not gone into buying, you might have not gone into a wrong trade of selling your stocks or any positions. Okay, so this is the importance of understanding how to analyze a trend or how to understand a market. Okay, so now we'll go into charts. Okay, these are the important levels which I have marked. As I have told you in my previous videos, since the market is very much volatile, instead of going into 15 minutes chart for an intraday, I made my levels in 1 hour chart itself. So based on this, it might look so nasty, but still, these are the important levels which can be useful for you guys for the upcoming week. So all these levels are based upon important reversals or the position which is being made at this points by the institutions. Whomever is following option chain, they are looking into the data which comes in as a data, like as a open interest, number of orders executed, number of orders pending. Based on that, they come to the levels. So if it is shown as an option chain, the same thing should reflect in candles also. So to know what is the important support and resistance, either you can go into option chain or by seeing the type of candles which has been formed here, one can come to an understanding, and it is not necessary to go into an option chain. So that's why understanding of charts and understanding of candlesticks is very much important. Okay, so now you can have a clear view. So this is the levels. We are now at this point where we are in between a minor supply and between a minor demand zone. So the important levels for the moment is 17,535, 17,502 is the immediate demand zone as per the candlestick which has been formed here. Okay, so in case if the market is a flat opening and if the price is coming to this level, which is around 17,535 to 17,502, and on a 5 minutes candle or 15 minutes, if you are getting any signs of reversal or pattern based upon price action happening, one can go for long and you can keep the target as 17,666 to 17,723. Okay, and if the market is sustaining above this level, which is nothing but above 17,723, and if we are getting two green consecutive candle, then we can expect the market to go to next levels of 17,800 to 17,956. Okay, and by chance if the market doesn't sustain, if it is not holding this level, and if you're getting a strong candle closing below 17,502, you can go for short, keeping your target as 17,363 to 17,312. which is nothing but this levels. So, and at the same time, do not be so aggressive at the moment. Wait for candlestick to pattern, wait for a pullback to happen, and go into a trade so that you'll be getting very good risk to reward. Your risk also will be less and reward will be more. So these are the important levels for intraday tomorrow at the moment, which are nothing but 17,363, 17,312, and on top 17,674 to 17,723, and above that it can be 17,844 to 17,959. And overall, if you see for this week, and as I said, this triangle pattern I have made already on 22nd November based on the supply and demand zone which is formed here. Here, what you see here, it is a strong market has made a higher high from this point. So this is the origin. So this is a strong demand for me. And at the same time, market over here, it made a low, higher high, and it made a fresh lower low. So this is the point where market has changed from bullish to bearish. So these two are the important levels. So based on this only, I came to a prediction. Market can come to this level, and again, if it is bouncing back, it will come to this level for sure. So this is the reason behind. There is nothing, any secret, or there is no secret or any logic behind it. So it is purely based on the candlestick form and from where higher high or lower low has been formed. So this is the logic behind how I made this triangle pattern, or how market can come to this level. So you can mark these levels, wait for price action to happen. So these two levels can be for intraday, and these two can be the major levels for positional. So what we can expect here is, if market is going to this area, since triangle trend line which is being formed here, the triangle is not yet confirmed, but still based on the supply which is formed here and here. So this is my zone, which is nothing but 17,318 to 17,123. It is a supply zone for me. So what can happen? Price can come to this level, even they can give a false breakout, and the wick can come to this level and fall back. So at this point, I will be requesting guys not to be aggressive to go into any long trade and get trapped. So this is the area. So please be cautious at this level, and you can go for any trade. Wait for proper reversal or proper breakout to happen, and then you can go for a trade. Again, if you are getting a reversal from here, there's a high probability for the market to come to this level. Again, when the market is coming to this, these 2 points, it can be an accumulation and distribution zone. So market will be of sidewards at this point. So based on that, kindly have your positions, whether it is options buying or even if it is options selling. Okay, so these can be the important levels for the whole week, and these are the major supply and demand or support and resistance. You can look at these levels, and what are the levels given here. These can be important support and resistances. Important. Okay, so next we'll go into Bank Nifty. So what I have shown here is 1 hour candle. I'm not going into 15 minutes. So these can be the important levels. So I'll be going into 15 minutes during live market, and I will be looking into the reaction of the candles at these levels, and then I'll be going to a trade. And these are the levels for Bank Nifty. So what we see here in Bank Nifty is Nifty and Bank Nifty are almost having a similar structure over here. So as long as they're in the same direction, if you're taking any trade in Bank Nifty, there won't be much of sidewards, and chance of stop loss will be more. But what they can do is, Friday the market is both Nifty and Bank Nifty are in same pattern, but to take out the stop loss or for option premiums, what they can do is they can change the pattern tomorrow or day after tomorrow, and you may not expect Nifty and Bank Nifty to be in the same direction. So what can happen is, these are the important levels, these are the important demand zones at the bottom. These demand zones are marked based upon the candlestick type of candlestick or the institution positional levels at these points. Okay, So these are important points. So kindly have a note: 39015, 39346, 39620, 679, 752, and 40,562, and etc. Whatever the levels given here. So these are the demand. In case if the market opens and if it is not holding these levels, and if you are getting two candle closing below these levels, then you can go for a short trade based upon the price action and confirmation. Okay, if you are getting two candle closing below this 40,555, there is a high probability for the market to come to this level, bounce back, and it will come to this 39,735, and we need to wait and look for what type of price action happening at these levels. But these two are strong demand zones. The market can react from this point, and further based on what type of candles it is forming tomorrow, we can decide further whether market will come down or it will go up. But at the current scenario, these are the important levels. Our current market prices, which is nothing but around 41,349, we need to see what kind of opening, whether we are having a gap up, gap down, or flat opening. In gap down only, if these two levels are breached and if you are getting candle closing below this, then be on sell side. And again, if the market opens flat and if you're getting a strong hammer candle or any kind of strong bullish candle, then you can go for long, keeping your target as 41,487. And again, if you get two consecutive candles closing above this level, which is nothing but 659, if you're getting two candles closing above 659, the immediate target will be 41,819. 41,819 is nothing but a minor supply or a minor resistance. So if you are getting two candles closing above 41,660, then our immediate target is 41,800. And this will be critical levels where market can little bit consolidate. And if it is breaking, there is a high probable chance for a quick move to go towards 42,000 to 42,730 and 42,800. Okay, so this will be an important level, and this can be an accumulation zone for the institutions, and they can take the market up to the higher levels. And institutions won't get any easy clue for the retailers to take part in any trade. So kindly look for what kind of pattern or range what kind of patterns it is forming, or any kind of range bound if it is happening. And if the range bound breakout happens, then go with the range breakout and be on the right side. And do not come to a conclusion based on what you see in TV or if any expert advice. Since you are taking a trade, you decide your own trade, you decide your own support and resistance, and this will be helpful for you to stay in trade on a longer time. So this will be helpful for you guys to stay in share market on a longer run. Okay, so I request you guys to have a note of the supply which is on top. So I have given both demand zone on the bottom and supply on the top. So these levels will hold intact for the week for sure. So kindly have a look of these levels, do your own analysis and break your trades. And I request you guys to kindly like and subscribe my channel. And if you feel my videos are worth, kindly refer to your friends, and it can be helpful for them too. So following this video, I'll be coming up with momentum stocks for the next week. So kindly do watch that too, and have your own analysis and take your trade. Have a profitable week ahead, guys. Thank you.